This 2025 Forest River XLR Nitro 39G15 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features a luxe interior, sleeps 7, water heater, microwave, awning, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, oven, TV, leveling jacks, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River XLR Nitro 39G15 is 15,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.